Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the mouse cursor disappearing issue in Windows 10 and 11 step by step in a quick and simple way, so let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and type Touchpad, then from the results click on Touchpad Settings. Once the Settings window opens, you will see the Touchpad option, and in many cases it might be turned off, which is why your mouse cursor is not visible. Now simply click on the toggle button to turn it on, and instantly you will see that your mouse cursor starts working again on your screen. If your cursor still doesn't appear, just move your fingers on the touchpad or try connecting an external mouse once to refresh the input. This issue usually happens due to touchpad being disabled accidentally or after a system update, and turning it back on fixes it instantly without any complex steps. Once your cursor is visible and working properly, you can go ahead and close the settings window. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.